name is Marjorie Thrash. I'm a WNBF Figure Pro, and I'm here today at the OCB Presidential Cup and WNBF Pro Bowl interviewing athletes. So today we have
Tanya Wallace.
And Tanya, what are you competing in today?
Figure.
Figure. Is this your first time competing?
No, actually it's not.
No.
I've been competing for a couple of years now.
All right, very good. Have you ever competed at this event?
Once.
Okay.
So I'm just really looking forward to it. I'm really excited and hungry.
Yeah, I'm sure. So have you done a lot of competing this season?
Not this season. I'm active duty and I'm stationed in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba. So I had the opportunity to do a competition while I was here. So I took full advantage of it.
They let people out of Cuba to compete. You hear that? All right, well that's amazing. So we're so glad to have you today. Any specific goals?
Just to come home with a trophy today.
Well, we know you can do it. We have faith in you. So thank you so much for coming, and we wish you the best.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.